Fall season is here, and what is better than a bowl with warm, delicious noodles, meat, some homemade broth, and amazing vegetables on top. So if you are a homemade soup person, this video is for you, so stay with me. To start making this soup, you will need homemade bone broth. This is gonna give it that special touch to your soup. So after you pour your broth on a pot, smash some garlic cloves and pour them in. Also, add 3 Thai peppers. If you don't like spicy, you don't need to add the peppers. 2 teaspoons of ginger and sprinkle some anise on top. Let this amazing homemade broth simmers. And after that, pour another pot with water and let it boil. And also you will need some delicious noodles. I like to cook every noodle portion by its own. It's gonna give it a better flavor because nobody likes overcooked noodles. So if you control every portion, the flavor is gonna be better. We use 2 different pots because we don't want to cook the noodles in the same broth that we're going to use. We don't want to do that because the noodles have this starch and it's going to mess up our delicious soup. So have a different pot with water and pour your noodles and some chopped vegetables on top. And then cook these noodles according to the recipe on that noodles package. And that's it. Super fast. And to serve your delicious soup, you will have to pour some noodles on the bottom with the vegetables of your choice, and on top you can put some beef. In this case, we are gonna use CHAR SIU. If you don't know how to prepare CHAR SIU, I'm gonna leave the delicious recipe on the description section. And on top, pour your homemade bone broth and it's gonna have the best flavor ever. So thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cooking with Hilda. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time.